हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एशियन लॉ कॉलेज का रिव्यू करने वाले हैं। dialeducation.com की वेबसाइट पे काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स रिक्वेस्ट कर चुके हैं कि आप एक लॉ स्कूल का रिव्यू डालिए और रिव्यू कीजिए जो कि दिल्ली एनसीआर में हो और एक अफोर्डेबल उसका फीस स्ट्रक्चर हो। बिकॉज जब भी हम लॉ की बात करते हैं तो एक ही चीज़ दिमाग में आती है कि काफ़ी महंगा कोर्स होगा। तो आज एशियन लॉ कॉलेज के बारे में समझते हैं, इसका प्लेसमेंट्स क्या है, इसका इंसेप्शन डेट क्या है, कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है, एग्रीगेटेड बॉडीज कौन सी हैं, क्या क्या डिप्लोमास कराता है। तो आज सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि एशियन लॉ कॉलेज का इंसेप्शन कहाँ हुआ था और कब हुआ था। तो एशियन लॉ कॉलेज बेसिकली सिचुएटेड इन नोएडा, उत्तर प्रदेश, स्टार्टेड इन 2009। सो 2009 से ये इंस्टीट्यूट रन कर रहा है, सो ऑलमोस्ट 12 ईयर्स हो चुके हैं। जब हम लॉ की बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले जो प्रोग्राम दिमाग में आता है किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के, वो है बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स अलॉन्ग विद LLB, BA LLB। तो ये 5 ईयर का इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स है जिसमें हमें BA की डिग्री भी मिलती है और हमें लॉ की भी डिग्री मिलती है। एक्रीडिटेशंस क्या है? सबसे पहले तो ऑफ कोर्स बीइंग अ लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट इट हैज टू टेक देयर अप्रूवल बाय BCI, बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया। सो ALC is BCI approved, and of course the degree which a student will be getting after completion of the course is from CCS, Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Uttar Pradesh. कोर्स की फीस क्या है? सो बेसिकली अंडर दिस अम्ब्रेला ऑफ ALC दे ऑफर 2 कोर्सेज, BA LLB and LLB। सो स्पेसिफिकली आज मैं BA LLB की बात करने के लिए यहाँ पर हूँ। सो BA LLB का जो टोटल फीस है वो ऑलमोस्ट 5.5 lakhs है फॉर कंप्लीट 5 years। सो अगर इसको मैं पर ईयर डिवाइड करता हूँ तो somewhere around 1,05,000 to 1,10,000 depends upon scholarship। अगर आपको एंट्रेंस के बाद या फिर सिलेक्शन के बाद कोई भी स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर होती है। However, the total fees is 5,50,000 for complete 5 years। इसके अलावा बात करते हैं कि आप एशियन लॉ कॉलेज में कैसे एडमिशन ले सकते हैं। तो ऑफ कोर्स कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स वो एक्सेप्ट करता है। LCAT जो कि इसका अपना एंट्रेंस टेस्ट है, एशियन लॉ कॉमन एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, LSAT भी करता है, एंड CLAT ऑफ कोर्स कॉमन लॉ एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट। तो जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी सोच रहे हैं कि हमें CLAT के लिए रजिस्टर करना है और अभी तक CLAT का कोई इंटीमेशन नहीं कि कब होगा, सो डेफिनेटली अगर आप एक अफोर्डेबल ऑप्शन और एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन दिल्ली NCR में देख रहे हैं, सो यू कैन अप्लाई विद एशियन लॉ कॉलेज, गिव देयर LCAT, गिव देयर इंटरव्यूज एंड यू कैन बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस prestigious institute. Now let's talk about the kind of diplomas and additional certificates which is coming along with this degree. So they offer 4 courses, as in 4 certificates and diplomas along with the BLLB degree. Certificate in Corporate Legal Communication, that's a number 1 certificate. Diploma in Media and Entertainment Law. Diploma in Cyber Law, which is affiliated to Asian School of Cyber Laws. And the 4th one is Diploma in Intellectual Property Rights, affiliated to NLAW. सो आप खुद सोच सकते हैं कि जब हम लॉ की बात करते हैं तो दिमाग में एक चीज आती है कि हमारा करियर क्या है, क्या ये सिक्योर है कि नहीं, किस तरह की जॉब्स हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सो BLLB itself is sufficient. However, if we add these additional certificates, because nowadays we understand with the social media getting so much popularity, we should know what are the legal rights, what are the laws behind it. If you're talking about property, what are the laws behind it. If you're talking about cyber law, because that is a very very important law. So Asian Law School, Asian Law College is not only teaching you BLLB but also training you in all these departments, all these parameters wherein you can excel your career. In 5 years of the span, they're gonna give you a lot of exposure to different corporates, to different legal firms for your internship. Now internship is very important as far as law is concerned. Whenever we compare law with any other program, we have never heard that they offer up on-campus internships, on-campus placements. However, when we talk about Asian Law College, they offer on-campus internships. As far as placements are concerned, they ensure a student gets the right job in the right corporate, or depends upon the priority of a student. So if I talk about the overall review of Asian College, infrastructure is good as it is situated near Noida. Second, the fee structure, as I told you, fee structure is very much affordable, 5,50,000 as compared to other institutes which are there in Delhi NCR. They are expensive than ALC. I don't want to name them. We are here to talk about Asian Law College. Third, the kind of diplomas which they are offering. Fourth, the most important, which I have not discussed till now, it's moot court. They have a practical moot court. So moot court is like a structure of a court wherein you'll feel when you'll become a student of a law, you need to practice a lot as a lawyer. People gonna be there as judge, people gonna there be audience. Two lawyers will be there, they're debating each other, they're presenting their part of the story, their arguments and everything. So you need a moot court. So it's a practical, I would say, a structure which is made in an institute like a court. So you have this feeling that you're standing in a court and you're doing all such things, which is very, very important when you talk about the practicality of law. So Asian Law College has that kind of facility as well. And of course the faculties, one of the prestigious and renowned faculties we have at Asian Law College, so students gets the maximum exposure. Plus they are also affiliated with a foreign university, let me tell you. So they're also affiliated with international universities, University of Cape Town, which is basically known as famous for their law program. So you'll have the exposure if at all you choose that international exposure along with the law. So you'll get a chance to go to the University of Cape Town as well. The rest, they have all facilities. They have hostels, computer labs. They have all the amenities which is required for a law student. So as far as dialeducation.com platform is concerned, we would definitely recommend the law students to go and join Asian Law College, especially at this point of time when you don't know about CLAT, when it's going to happen, when the results going to come. So it is better to secure a seat and make an option for yourself. And let me remind you, Asian Law College has only 120 seats. So you can imagine that how many students are there and how many students get the seat. So keep that thing in your mind and take a wise decision. That's all for today as far as Asian Law College review is concerned. The rest, dialeducation.com, you'll find a website is created, a microsite is created for Asian Law College, so you can have detailed information if you want to collect. Rest, if you have any questions or doubts or queries, you can always leave in the comment section. I'm sure me and my team will definitely try to answer on those questions. That is it. Stay safe, stay inside. All the best.